and front, and open front, and open side or side, open back, to the back, and crossed back, cross side, and cross front. Reverse that. Reach as far as you can. Reach front all the way to the end of the tape. And cross front. And cross side. And cross back. Directly to the back. And open back as far as you can. And open side. And open front. Good. And then we do that on the other leg. And if you guys want to move and find different orientations, that's great too. Good. And as far as you can, reach to the front and open front and open side and open back and directly back, cross back, cross side, cross front, and as far as you can to the front and cross side, front, and cross side, and cross back, directly to the back, and open back, to the side as far as you can, and open to the front. Good. And to the front, as far as you can. Open front, open side,
Do you ever feel like a weight shift back?
and open back,
So just be aware.
then directly to the back,
Shift at the bottom?
and
But
cross
it's much better
back,
than the second time.
and cross side, cross front, and directly to the front, and cross front, cross side,
You don't have to take off your socks. Okay. And get your pants.
cross back,
Are you
directly
gonna
back as far as you can, open back, open side, and open front.
Okay, this is your bar. Okay.
Good. Begin. Front, and open front, open side,
Keep it one
open back, directly back, cross back, cross side,
That was nice.
Oh my
You
god.
don't really have like
Cross front.
variations. Is there any part of your spine that feels
And
really
to the front.
stiff or restricted?
and reverse that. Cross
I didn't
front,
really see any, but if there's something that.
and cross side,
No, I don't think so.
and cross back,
All right. So you're gonna
and open to the back as far as you
you're gonna do
can.
a combo forward.
Reach beyond the
Sit
tape.
first.
Good. And open back,
Combo forward. Come up.
and open side, and open front, and switch legs. We go front
You're gonna curve over.
and return.
And open.
Open front
Continues that direction.
and return.
And
Open side
open.
and return
Circle that way.
to the
You do
back.
that 2 times each side.
Open back, sorry, and return
Start at
to the back.
And then open to the side.
and return. Cross back,
Okay. Cool.
return,
And
cross side,
open.
return,
Circle.
cross front,
Other side.
and return to the front,
Open. Circle.
and cross front, return,
Open.
cross side,
Circle.
and return,
And curve.
cross back, and return, directly back,
That's okay.
and return, open side, open back, my fault, and return,
Which is basically what
open
you want
side,
with your,
and return, and open front, and return. Good.
4. Stretch.
And to the front,
Do it the other leg. And 1,
and to the front,
2,
and return,
4.
open front,
And push up.
and return,
And 1, 2,
open side,
3,
and
4.
return,
After plank.
open back,
One more time. 1,
and return,
2,
directly back,
4. After plank.
return,
And
cross back,
and shake out and stretch.
Return.
if you need to.
cross side,
Um,
and return, cross front, and return to the front, and crossed front, cross side, and cross back,
Do we have a
directly
health
back,
history from you? Yeah.
cross or open back,
Is it up?
open
Okay.
side, and
Sorry.
open
Just
front.
gonna make sure now. Okay.
All right, and to the ready position,
To the left.
and reach to the front, and return, and open front, and return, and side, and return, open back, return to the back,
Oh yeah.
and
Side.
return,
Okay.
and cross, and return, and cross side, and return, cross front, and return to the front, and return, cross front, and return, cross side, and return, cross back, as far as you can, to the back, and return to the side, open back, return side, and return, open front, and return. Good. Okay. So you just reach to the front,
and you
and return, and open front,
and then
and return,
so curve
side,
second,
and return,
rotate. Yeah.
open back,
Okay, so go ahead
return,
and go to your
directly
left.
to the back,
So curve down and
return,
second,
cross
and
back,
go all
and
the
return,
way. Yeah, beautiful.
cross side, and return,
And go all the
cross
way.
front,
Okay, you
and return to the front, and return,
go
cross front, and return,
and the
cross side,
second.
and return, cross back,
That is confusing.
and return. Directly back, as far as you can,
This
return,
next one,
open
okay,
back,
showing it suggests the
and
big-
return,
So
to
you'll
the
use
side,
bent leg plank,
and return,
and you go
open
to
front,
this gain mobility
and return.
so you go
Good.
to either side.
reach to the front,
Beautiful.
and return, open front, and return, side,
Yeah, one more time.
and return, open back as far as you can, and return, directly back, and return, cross back, and return,
Really good
cross side,
your placement is
and return, cross front,
subconsciously move
and return to the front,
but probably when you get to
and
the
return,
that's not enough.
cross
I think it's
front,
more of an initiation.
Okay.
and return, cross side,
Not bad at all.
and
then
return,
back.
cross
You
back,
do have a little bit of it.
and return, directly back, and return, cross, open back,
But it's not.
and
It's
return,
not extreme,
side,
but it's something
and
that's
return,
thinking about, especially
open
when you
front,
back combre,
and
try to
return,
do it a little more. Just-
and front, and return, open front, and return to the side, and return, open back, and return, directly back, and return, cross back, and return, cross side, and return, cross front, and return, directly front, and return, cross front, and return, cross side, and return, cross back, return, directly back, and return, open back, return, and side, and front, and return. Good. And front, and open front, directly side, open back, directly back, cross back, cross side, cross front, directly front, cross front, side, crossed back, directly back, open back, side, and open front. Good. To the front, and open front, open side, open back, directly back, crossed back, cross side, cross front. Reverse front, cross front, cross side, cross back, directly back, open back, and side, and good. Okay, good. All right, and as far as you can to the front, and return. Open front, return. To the side, return. Open back, return. Directly back, return. Cross back, return. Cross side, return. Cross front, and return. Then to the front, and return. Cross front, return. Cross side, and return. Cross back, and return. Directly back, return. Open back, return. To the side, and return. And open front, and return. Good. Front,
You can feel it until you
and return. Open front,
Okay, so now
return. Side, and return. Open back,
So go ahead and lay on your back with your feet
return.
facing each.
Directly back,
And we're gonna look at your
return. Cross back,
Put your feet
and
together,
return.
flex position, and you're gonna
Cross
go in
side,
reverse position,
return.
and back.
Cross front, and return.
So rotating
To the
your
front,
hips,
and
and
return.
up and hold.
Cross front, return. Cross
Feel that there's more rotation in the
side,
feet. Do you feel that?
return. Cross back, and return. Directly back, and return. Open back,
And
return,
now we're gonna look at your
and side,
It's
and
actually
open
pretty
front.
symmetrical.
and finish.
Just a bit from what I can see.
So we go standing on the left. So reach as far as you can, and front, and return. Open front, return. Reach as far as you can. Open side, and open back. Directly to the back. Cross back. Cross side. And cross front. Directly to the front. Reach as far as you can. Reach, 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 reach. And then come up. Cross front. And back. Sorry, return and cross side. Return, cross back. Now really go forward back as far as you can. Yes, and up. And open back as far as you can. And return, open side. Return, and open front. Good. Switch. Are we ready? And front, open front, directly side, and open to the back, directly back, cross back, cross side, cross front, directly front, cross front, directly side, or cross side, and cross back. Really reach as far as you can to the back, and open back, directly side,